Actually po, there are a lot of things that are to be admired about Mayor Inday Sara, about her characteristics and everything. But the most that I really do admire and look up to her is her bravery, her kindness, and her conviction. Kasi being a woman and a leader po in our society is a very challenging role. Lalo na po, we're women, we always have to work twice as hard. So I think that's really, admirable about her, na she's brave and kind at the same time, which we really need in these times po.
So, ng pagkikita namin ni Mayor Inday, nasa malaking store po kami. Dinala ako ng friend ko. Actually, friend din ni Ma'am Inday. Then we meet face to face, and then nag-expect ako na napaka-strict talaga ni Ma'am Inday. Pero she's very approachable and very jolly person po. Hindi ko makakalimutan yung napalaking calamity na nangyari dito sa Davao, which is yung baha. And nagkataon na ako yung in charge sa water relief. Gabi noon medyo umaambon, dumating si Mayor Inday. Nakita niya kami na naghahakot pa rin ng tubig. Nakita niya na lumalakas na yung ulan kasi yung mga mineral waters nakapwesto lang sa labas. Inakot namin, pumapasok sa building, umakyat siya sa kanyang office. Nakita kami na bumaba siya ulit. Nagsabi siya sa sino in charge dito. Tinaas ko yung kamay ko, ma'am, at sinabi ko, ako po, ma'am, gusto mo ba na ako mismo ang magbuhat ng tent tapos ilagay ko dito sa harap para hindi mabasa yung tubig. So ako, ma'am, medyo natakot sa message ni Ma'am Inday. So ginawa ko yung team, kinausap ko yung team. Syempre, natakot ako kasi parang parang nagalit si Mayor. So pag alis niya, hinanap niya ako, sabi na, saan si Vincent? Sabing nakita niya ako, sabi niya, okay, salamat. Napakasarap pakinggan, no? Dahil na-appreciate niya na ginawa namin po. For me po, si Team Mayor Inday Sara is a balance of strength of character. Meaning, kanyang pagiging isang leader is true to herself. Or comes a natural trait, a mayor is, Sara is truly a wonder woman, toughness without arrogance and charismatic, without being egotistic po. As a person po, Mayor Inday is a very transparent person. What you see and more than what you get, many of you not know that Mayor is very caring person, especially to those people na ngailangan she will act no if and but as long as it is accordance, and she will go beyond if necessary po. My message to Mayor Inday is I know that you will continue to give us your wisdom and great leadership. Thank you for all the sacrifice and generosity, especially to us, the Bamenyo. Ma'am, nandito lang po kami, hindi ka namin iiwan po. For the win, Mayor. God bless, Mayor. Sorhay, Lipad Aguila. Salamat po, Mayor.